Hi, grade 2, quick syllable. This video for quick syllable grade 2. But before I will go to our lesson today, I would like to say don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel, send you new videos. Let's go to our lesson today. This video for grade 2 quick syllable unit 1. I will start this unit 1 in grade 2. Let's know the characters of our book today. Today we have the characters of your book. Let's present these characters together. Let's know these characters together. Here we have the characters of our book will be Slim, Dana, Dee, Haya, and Ali. This is the characters of our book. Let's go to the first unit here. The first unit is with is my day. In this time, in this lesson, we learn the time. We learn daily routines, things that the doing every day. This is the meaning of daily routine, and identify the days of the week. So I would like to say how many days in the week we have. 7 days. Let's learn it together. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. I will repeat and repeat after me. Here is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. And I would like to say something. Grade 2 must be known that when we use the days, we use a preposition on with the days. Okay, we use preposition on Sunday, on Monday, on Tuesday, on Wednesday, on Thursday, on Friday, on Saturday. So here we use the preposition on with days. Let's go to another. Let's go to next topic here in this next item here in this unit. Here is the new unit. Let's read the text together. Lesson and read. Here is we talk about the routine, that the things that I do it every day. I wash my face at 5 o'clock. I take breakfast at 6 o'clock. Talk with your friends about your school. Here is the topic to talk with your friends about school. Here is primary school. Set the time. Here is it's 8 o'clock. How can I do this? How can I put this 8 and I put the short arm in this in 8 and the long arm it will be on the 12. So it will be here. I'm not clear, but I do it to be clear. To be clear, the short arm it will be on 8, and the long arm it will be on 12. Okay. Let's go to another item here. 8, here is at space o'clock. Here is take breakfast here, as we know here. Take breakfast at what? At 6 o'clock. So I write here 6 o'clock. I go to school. Here is I go to school what? I go to school here what? At what? At 7 o'clock. Here I go to school at 7 o'clock. Here is I take breakfast at 6 and I go to school at 7. Will be here 7, as we know during the lesson. Okay, choose and tell your story. I wash my face. Here is I wash my face at. Here is a note here at 5 o'clock. Take breakfast at what? At 6. I go to school at 7, as we know here during the lesson. Let's read it together to know it's correct. Yes, I would like to return the story to make sure if it's correct. Here is here is wash my face at 5, take breakfast at 6, and go to school at 7. So here is wash my face at 5, take breakfast at 6, then I go to school at 7. Let's continue the rest of the unit. Talk about higher says. Here is the value here. Always respect time. Okay, so here is a value. We take it here from this unit. That is what from this part of the unit. It will be here. Always respect time means we must take care of the to make timetable, to take care from the things or reports that we do it in each time. Okay. We respect also the time of praise. Time of praise is important, okay? because we must be connected with God. Okay, here is pray, pray. We know here pray. This boy is pray, pray like this. This is called pray. I pray 5 times a day. I pray 5 times a day. They always say I pray 5 times a day. Let's continue. Let's go to another one here. Because I'm Muslim and I must be obligated or must be obeyed, must be obligated with the times that I pray. Okay, here is the time. I will leave this to do it by yourself. Now we know it how to do it. Then we do by yourself. Here is say. Here is say, pray, say and pray. We have here the same phonics or same phonics. Say and pray. Here is say and pray. Okay, written like this. You must know these words. Okay. Here is you say, here is answer. Here is the days and what I do in the day. Here is the star. Here is star. Let's know together. Star. So now we know star. We know what we know star, and we know the word pray. Okay, and we know the word say. Okay, so we have how many words today? We know it. We know how many words today we learned. We learn star. We learn pray. We learn say. The words must be kept grade 2 because it's important to keep the vocab. It's important to keep the vocab because in the exam we miss the letter and you must keep the vocab. Must write it and keep it. Okay. After I leave the video, I will leave you the booklet, the booklet and the book to practice how to write these words because it's important to have vocab. English must be improved by vocab. We must enrich our language by knowing more and more vocab and reading and listening. So any language can't be improved without reading, without writing, without listening. You must read more, and reading is an important item. Why? Because when we read, we know more words about everything. Okay, you must know words and know more idioms about English. Okay, you must know the words. Must read to know more and more. Okay, to improve your language. Okay, here is star. Here is play and say. Here, let's read this sentence together. Let's take some steps up the stairs to watch the stars. I will repeat this sentence and repeat after me. Let's take some steps up the stairs to watch the stars. Here is let's take. Here is let's must be followed by what? By the infinitive verb form. It must be have infinitive form. Don't say let's take it. It will be let's take, let's go, let's play, and so on. Okay. So here we have the important rule here. It would be let's plus the infinitive form of the verb. Let's take some steps up the stairs to watch the stars. Here is a topic I would like to write it by yourself. Tell your friends about your weekend. You can say, at the weekend, I go to the club, I meet my friends, I play with my friends, I play football, I enjoy my time in the club, and so on. We can write what we do in the weekend. Okay. Here we have some also vocab with letter S. Let's read it together. Here we have star, star. So I would like to revise the words that we take. We take what? We take say, we take pray, we take star, pray. We have here star. We have here also what? Take pray, star, say. We have here another word. So here is 3 words I would like to remember. These words that we know it, or have any words, the extra words. Let's read it together. Have extra words. Have here star, say, pray, and pray. We have here pray. We have here say, star, say, pray, star, and we know the name of the day. Okay, let's do this exercise together. Let's do this exercise together. Here is circle the words with the same initial and ending sound. Initial means the beginning, and the ending of sound. Here is we have star, initial. This is the beginning. Star and strawberry. Okay, so this is the same initial beginning. star, and stop, play. Here we have pray, stop, play. So here is we have pray and play. Here is write the missing days. Right here is the missing days. Yesterday it will be Monday. Today it will be what? Today it will be Tuesday. We have here Monday, Tuesday. Tomorrow it will be what? It will be Wednesday. Wednesday. So here today it will be Tuesday. Tomorrow it will be Wednesday. Wednesday. So here we have tomorrow it will be Thursday. Thursday. Today it will be what? Thursday. It will be what here? Wednesday. And I would like to say something that that the names of days must be written in capital letter. Must know this grade 2. Okay, must know it. Must know this. Here is tomorrow it will be Thursday. Today it will be Wednesday. Then Thursday. Yesterday it will be what? It will be here Tuesday. Yesterday it will be here Tuesday. Tuesday. So here we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Okay, this is the rearrange. This is the arrangement of the days. Okay, the arrange of the days. Okay, I feel here. I feel what? Here is the emotion. Here is the emoji. We're happy, sad, or smile, and so on. It will be here what I can select. I feel happy, for example. I always I want to all of you to be happy. Okay, don't be sad. Okay, because sad is make us sick. Okay, must be happy. We have here finished the unit 1. I would like to make a brief of what we took in this unit. In this unit, we know some vocab, which is breakfast, wash, brush, keys, lesson, write, music, star, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Here is we know the clock. Here is 5 o'clock. Here is what. Here is how. What's the time here? It will be here 11 o'clock. I answered some of them, not all. Okay, and I will leave the rest to do it by yourself. Okay. Here is 11 o'clock. Here is what? Here is 4. It will be here 4 o'clock. Here is what? Here is 1 o'clock. Here is 3 o'clock. Let's go to another one. Can say here, here is an assignment. Let's do it together. Here is lesson and take. Is when I say pray, I say for you pray. So I select this one. For 11 o'clock. So it will be here this one. Lesson and number. Here is this boy. What is this boy doing? It's jumping. So here here's jump. Here is jump. So here is this boy is jump. Painting. Painting. Pray. This pray. Okay. Let's go to another one. Here we have pictures, and we read and measure each picture for its suitable sentence. Okay. Here is I wash my face. I wash my face. Here is I wash my face at 6 o'clock. Which one? This one. Ali writes this one. I brush my teeth. This one. Okay. Let's go to another one. This is a practice what we took. Okay. I listen to space. I listen to space at 7 o'clock. It will be I listen with my teeth. Wrong. School, wrong. It will be what? Lesson to what? Lesson to music. Clever pupils. Stream space book. What we can do with book? We can eat books. Wrong. We can process books. No. We can do what? We can read. We can read. So it will be Slim reads book. Okay. By this question, we end from our video. I hope to benefit and enjoy our video today. Thanks a lot. Until we meet again. Goodbye.